Welcome to Buildora, where ideas turn into reality, from raw material to complete build. We cover every stage of the process, focusing on structure, purpose, and execution. In this video, a dugout shelter cabin is built from the ground up, using logs, insulation, and earth to create a solid, warm place to live even thousands of years. The first challenge is preparing the ground to support an underground structure. The selected area is cleared of surface vegetation to expose stable soil beneath. Roots are removed carefully to prevent future shifting or decay beneath the structure. The layout of the cabin is then marked. 2 rectangular zones indicate the future rooms, connected by a shared internal passage. Excavation begins slowly. Soil is removed in layers, maintaining straight edges and consistent depth across the pit. As the excavation deepens, attention remains on drainage and wall stability. Once the required depth is reached, the base of the pit is leveled. Any uneven sections are corrected to ensure load is distributed evenly across the foundation. With the ground prepared, attention shifts to material selection. Only straight, healthy logs are chosen. Any signs of rot, cracking, or insect damage result in rejection. Each log is cut to length based on its position in the structure. Bark is removed from all logs. This reduces moisture retention and limits insect attraction. Once stripped, the exterior surfaces of the logs are charred. Controlled charring creates a protective layer that resists rot and pests. The surface darkens evenly, sealing the outer fibers of the wood. After cooling, the logs are set aside, sorted by length and purpose. Construction begins with the first course of logs. These logs are placed directly onto the compacted gravel base. Each log is aligned carefully and checked for level. Because the structure is earth-sheltered, the lower courses must remain absolutely stable. Logs are embedded slightly into the base to prevent lateral movement. Corner joints are interlocked to lock the structure together. At each joint, metal spikes are driven through the logs. These spikes prevent shifting as weight increases above. Alignment is checked continuously. Any deviation at this stage would compound as the walls rise. The entrance area is cleared and leveled. Because this section will experience frequent foot traffic, stability, and drainage are prioritized. A sand base is laid and compacted. Horizontal logs are positioned to form steps. Small gaps are left between each step. These gaps allow water to pass through, preventing pooling and ice formation in colder weather. Each step log is pressed firmly into the sand base and checked for level. Once complete, the entrance transitions smoothly from ground level down into the shelter. Heating is central to the function of the shelter. Before walls rise further, the oven location is planned. The position is chosen to allow even heat distribution while keeping a safe distance from wooden structural elements. A smoke outlet path is excavated. The flue channel is shaped carefully to ensure proper draft. Blue pipe sections are installed and aligned. Before permanent enclosure, the system is tested. Smoke evacuation is observed and adjusted where necessary. With airflow confirmed, the stone oven chamber is constructed. With the heating system in place, wall construction continues. Logs are stacked course by course. Each log is aligned flush with the previous layer. Joints are kept tight to minimize air gaps. As the walls rise, insulation is introduced. A woven polyethylene tarpaulin is installed between the log wall and surrounding earth. This layer acts as a moisture barrier. Gaps between logs are filled with wool insulation. The material compresses into irregular spaces, preventing heat loss and air infiltration. Each layer is inspected before moving upward. The roof structure defines the shelter's long-term durability. Strong wooden beams are selected for the frame. Master support columns are installed along the ridgeline. These columns transfer roof load directly to the foundation. A gable roof structure is formed with adequate pitch. The pitch allows water and snow to shed naturally. Horizontal roof logs are laid tightly. Any visible gaps are corrected immediately. Roof decking is installed over the log structure. Load distribution is checked across all supports. No single point bears excessive weight. With the structure enclosed, additional insulation is added. Alignment is verified from floor to roof. Any minor adjustments are made before finishing begins. Door and window openings are prepared. Frames are installed carefully. Surrounding logs are trimmed for precise fit. Insulation is added around each frame. Silicone sealant is applied to seal gaps. This prevents moisture intrusion and heat loss. The sealant is left undisturbed to cure fully. Interior flooring is installed. Insulated layers beneath the floor help retain warmth. Benches and functional interior features are added. A roof window is installed. This provides natural light and passive heating during daylight hours. A final handcrafted door is installed. The entrance stairs are compacted and refined. Wood side panels reinforce the stair structure. Exposed wood surfaces receive a protective varnish. The finish highlights the grain while sealing the material. If you're enjoying the build so far, subscribing helps support future projects. All interior components are secured to the main structure. Trial fittings ensure doors and moving parts operate smoothly. A full inspection is conducted. Structural stability, ventilation, heat containment. Final detailing completes the build. With construction complete, attention shifts to the finished space. The cabin maintains a consistent internal temperature. The stone oven radiates steady heat. Insulation layers work together with surrounding earth to stabilize conditions. The two-room layout separates daily living from sauna use. Light enters through the roof window, reflecting softly off wood and stone. Each element serves a clear function. Nothing is decorative without purpose. The structure feels grounded, quiet, complete. What began as an unused section of land is now a fully insulated dugout shelter cabin. This build demonstrates how traditional methods and modern understanding can work together to create something lasting. More builds are coming soon. If you found this transformation interesting, consider following Buildora for more in-depth engineering builds and detailed construction stories. More projects are already in progress.